try to open up my mind. Gonna change my exhaust, which is this exhaust. I very like this exhaust actually. It's a Spoon N1 FL5 exhaust muffler. But when I changed this exhaust, it's because my wife just gave birth and my baby is still small. This exhaust is really no loud. No kidding loud one. There is no loud punya. And then I go to took out the resonator. There is dual resonator for the FL5 Spoon exhaust. So I take out the dual resonator. I give my exhaust at KL Kuchai Lama to bikin do the straight pipe, the mid pipe, straight pipe, kasih buang, okay, straight pipe directly. And then at the few months, you can feel that wow, it's loud. Okay, when you take out the resonator, you change to straight pipe, you can feel that wow, not bad, because it's like got a crackle when you change gear. A bit. After that, since that my wife driving Veilfire, and sometimes we going back KL long trip, we're not using this car. Tesla maybe, Tesla no sound. So I was thinking of lama-lama sekali, if this car long one time go back travel long trip, loud a bit, never mind, it's okay. So I decide to change Tome RSE Type R. I'm gonna release the beast again for this car, FL5. Why I want to change? Actually very simple. I do videos, and when I search Tome RSE Type R, a lot of people, they don't do video for this exhaust. Don't care it's a Tome Japan or Tome USA, it's okay. The design is almost the same. The main thing is I want to do video, give you all, and compare, give you all. Modification, this is why I do video. Want to show you all the truth of how the Tome Type R sounds, looks like, feels like. Testing, test mic. So first thing, why in this video I want to speak English? I also don't know why, because I just saja want to speak English today. And then I also don't know why my car park sengit a little bit. And hope you all don't mind, because I'm speaking this type of English is a Malaysian English, Hoglish we call it, Malaysian language. Malaysian type of English lah, easy we say lah, okay? So basically this is the Butterworth, Lajak Uda Butterworth. I don't racist, I tell you all guys, mostly all of the Malaysian accessory shop, they also can invite me, it's okay. I come here, I go there, I go everywhere, everywhere also make friend. The janji, the most important is I want to make my car done. Whoever got stock, I can lepak and then go to buy from them and then put it into my car and sumpin, take a video for them lah. Okay, sumpin lah, sumpin.香港人講sumpin啦，係咪？應該係啊。Melayu panggil apa? I very malas want to translate, give you all, it's okay, never mind. So now let's just go inside and see my exhaust. Hope you all like my language. The problem is the people still didn't reach, so I need to call him. I also don't know why I early than him. Just now he already asked me where am I, but when I reach that time I need to ask him where is him. Hello, where is you? Where are you? Okay, 1 minute I'll see you. Okay. See, we all Malaysian people also talk all this type of Hoglish. We not call it English, we call it Hoglish, especially Chinese in Malaysia. Okay, 1 minute I see him. Besides that, guys, besides then my FL5 here, here still got another FL5. The rim very nice, CE28. In Malaysia we call it CE28, CE28. Okay, and right here got a Supra with the Advent GT rim. If you all are not from Malaysia, I can teach you Malay also, never mind. 28 means 28. Patlok means Hachiroku. Now another FL5 coming in. See so many Lanto FL5 here. Varis body kit. Oh, here at the ICE auto here, you all no need worry one. All the FL5 FK8 here, very lanying one. Pattern one. Also modified Kau. See, he come in 100% consult lan confirm. He show ram one. The brom show ram one. See. See? I told you already, contact lan cao firm all this type drive FL5 one is saw video friend. Nice nice This type of rim Malaysia we call it TE37, TE47. Hey, sorry, -1, -10, 37. 37 in Malay we call it 37. Hi, my big boss. Where's my exhaust?
Over there.
Okay, let's go. Let's go see. Wow, see? Even the baju also off-white Off auto. Off-white. Let's go and see. This one my exhaust so big, see? People want the TV box whole and small, you know. This one, my one, very big one. How to put inside car, I also don't know. Just kidding with you all. This one, 2023 GTR. Oh, steam all the sound. I wish I can get a R35 someday. I think 10 more years. I love the V12 sound. Very sure. I mean, you got two R35, then you got V12. So basically, guys, I want to tell you all, I suggest you all better don't come here. Because once you come here, you cannot go out. Why I say cannot go out? You see all the rim right here. Come inside here, oh, you cannot tahan. The inside the hot dog cell, the sperm also won't come out. See so many rays right here. Hi. Race, Yokohama, Advent GT, BBS, everything, exhaust pipe, the Infinity intake for the FL5, for parts for the Supra GR or the Skyline, everything also got. How but never mind, I just buy exhaust. See, he take the exhaust come already. Any different the ICE and Tome?
Same
Same. Confirm same
same
one thing different. The price different. So I want to tell you all guys, if you are using this ICE, you need to buy another front pipe because there is no front pipe. And this one is fully titanium. Is the total of these 3 batang, I think is only 3.5 kg. Hey, sorry, 7 point something kg. Wanna hit me? Ho! It's just like Milo tin kong kong only, you know. Kosong. Inside also got silencer. Hey, where's the silencer? Silencer, you all want to travel back to far away, you all can put this silencer, but it's also no use. Never mind, it's okay. Later only I show you the everything inside. Still got the mid pipe everything. So front pipe, you all also got a lot of choices, such as the ST Wangan or the RV6. This time I'm gonna change the RV6 because a spoon there is 2 nuts only for the exhaust. The flange got only 2 nuts. Basically all this is 3 nuts. Up down left right, up down left, up left right, up left right. Triangle, stupid, yeah. Triangle. Spoon, the nut only got left right. Understand? Understood? Okay, RV6 front pipe ready. Actually, like here, still got the PWR, what we call the radiator. And oh, what the hell, man. Got spoon here. I saw spoon. What is this? Seat, spoon seat. Semi nice also. Very nice. At the same time, this car also want to change the RV6 and then the HKS exhaust and then also the Infinity design intake. Down pipe and front pipe. HKS apa?
High power.
High power The new one black color Oh shit, man. The new one. It's not silent This one is high power, the black color version. Okay guys, now we are heading to the another tire shop, which is they got the lift up the car and then only we can assemble the exhaust. The sunny summer day Malaysia, oh freaking nabu, the chicken very hot. Very hot. Layan one puff the vape tape stick. This new one very small. I also don't know how many puff. 500 mAh only, non-rechargeable. Okay, now let's go. spoon muffler. Actually, for a daily and also the street use, is very good. But you cannot really feel the high RPM. It's like very strict. It's like very ketat. Ketat in English, what we call the tight. Okay, like when you high RPM, the time it still looks like it cannot release all the pressure. You know, even though you go to the red line, the exhaust like cannot fulfill your happiness until certain time lah. At the first, when you assemble that time, when you install that time, the spoon exhaust is very sick one, very okay. But you use long already, like over than 8 months, half years, 8 months, you can feel a little bit like not enough power, because actually the diameter of the piping is also, I think, 2.7 inch, not even 3 inch. And then it's approved by JASMA, which means at Japan they can sell and then they can drive legally at Japan. So at Malaysia we don't care lah. It's okay lah. If loud also never mind lah. Okay. This like a trumpet, all this type of exhaust not stainless steel one this titanium all this type of exhaust actually is illegal at Japan. You cannot prang like this.